Hello student, it's by tutorial form, and in this video we talk about the preference and performance settings in filmora 11 by tutorial form. So let's go to start the video. So open your filmora and click on the plus icon to edit your project in timeline. So our project is edit or timeline, so zoom in it, click zoom in to zoom your project. So to see the preference and performance settings, click to the file, and from here you see the project settings, and from here you see the preference setting, control shift and plus. So click on it. So it is all preference and performance settings. So from here you change the language, it's default by United States, and from here you change it the German, Spanish, French, Italian, and these languages is added by the filmora. So you choose your desired language from here, right? And from here your appearance will be changed. So it is the default appearance, and it is the light mode. So you use the light mode. So it is the light mode appearance of filmora 11. So it is the dark mode. So we use the system defaults appearance system, and from here check for updates automatically, so every week, and from here you select the every day, so it's by default the every week, right? From this button reset all, and this it means that all the changes will be reset from here. When you click on it, all the settings will be reset by default from this button. And from here you see your folders, your download folders, temporary file folders, recorded file folders, uploaded files, and cloud project. And from here you change your desired folders. Our folder is here, and if you want to change it, so from here you change your folder and then click on OK button to save your desired folder. So your file will be downloaded here, right? And from here you see the editing option. Photo duration is a 5 seconds, right? You change it as a frame as a second, and from here you also increase it, it's 5, so you can edit it as 7, and then click on OK to save the 7-second duration. The freeze duration is 5 seconds and effect duration is 5 seconds. And from here a photo placement fit, and you also choose the crop to fit, and from here you also choose to pan and zoom. So first you click on OK, and then your setting will be changed. Insert mode, from here split a single track, and if you select split all tracks, so your clips will be split into all tracks. And from here you see the saving option, backup my project every 1 minute. From here you choose the 5 minute, 10 minute, 30 minute. So you select the 1 minute, because when you're working, so your backup is automatically saved after 1 minute. And backup project file too. So from here you change your folder, and from here default project location is a Wondershare filmora and project, and from here you also change this folder too. And it is our performance section. So click on performance, and GPU check from here, click on start, and it is our background render 5 seconds, so we disable it, preview render, and from here you change the file location. And from here if you want to clean all the files, so automatically click on it and then OK, your file will be automatically delete. And if you does not check on it, so from here you click the clean button to automatically delete your rendering file. So we cancel it because I does not want to change any option in that. So from this area you change the preference and performance setting as you wish, as you wish. From here, if you want to change any folder from here you also change this option. Thank you for watching for this video.